Do you want to know how you can enable auto-delete messages on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable auto-delete messages on your Telegram account. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Now click on your menu, which you can see on the top left hand side, and click on settings. What you need to do now is click on privacy and security. You can see the auto delete messages are currently turned off. To turn it on, go ahead and click on this. And then you can see there is a self-destruct timer. You can choose between 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and you can set your custom time as well. So after you choose your self-destruct time, which is 1 day, which you have chosen, you can see that it will be shown over here. To change it, go ahead and click on auto delete messages once again and choose it according to your wish. This way the self-destruct timer will be enabled and it will auto delete your messages on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.